In this video, I'm going to look at the two water problems and the strategies to solve them. The first one, on a farm there are rabbits and pigeons. If heads are counted, there are 250 heads, and if legs are counted, there are 720 legs. How many pigeons are there? So how to solve this question? We can start from simple examples and smaller numbers, see if we can find any patterns, and we can come back to solve this question using the patterns we found. Okay, so first, let's assume there are 10 animals on the farm, and all the animals are pigeons. So you count the number of legs, you get 20. That's easy because each pigeon has 2 legs, and 10 pigeons would have 20 legs. Now you decrease the number of pigeons by 1 and increase the number of rabbits by 1. So that the total number of animals are the same. And now you count the number of legs. You get 22. That's also easy because each rabbit has 4 legs. 4 plus 18 equals 22. Okay? You further decrease the number of pigeons by 1 at the same time increase the number of rabbits by 1. Okay, now you have 8 pigeons and 2 rabbits. The total number keeps the same, 10 animals. Count the number of legs, you get 24. Okay, that is 8 legs for rabbits and 16 legs for pigeons. Okay, and you continue this process. Now decrease further the number of pigeons by 1, same time increase the number of rabbits by 1. Okay, now you have 3 rabbits and 7 pigeons. So the total number of legs is 26. Okay, 3 rabbits has 12 legs and 7 pigeons has 14 legs. Total number is 26. Okay, you continue this process and fill the last column of this table. You get the number 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, and finally 40. Okay. If you look at the last column of this table, okay, you find a very interesting pattern there. So each time you decrease the number of pigeons by 1 and increase the number of rabbits by 1, you get 2 extra legs. Okay, from 20 to 22, 22 to 24, 24 to 26, 26 to 28, and so on and so forth. I think that's easy to understand because each rabbit has 2 extra legs. If you remove one pigeon, replace with rabbits, that makes sense that you get 2 extra legs. Okay, that is a very interesting pattern. Okay, even more interesting is we can use this pattern to derive the number of rabbits and pigeons. Okay, let's call the first rule the base rule or reference rule. Okay, in this rule, all the 10 animals are pigeons. Okay, so we can find the difference of legs of this base rule and the rest rule. So let's see that this is the red rule. You have 26 legs. Okay, the difference of legs between the red rule here and the base rule is 6. That is 26 minus 20. Okay, you have 6 extra legs in this red rule compared to this base rule. Okay, based on the pattern we just identified, each time you increase the number of rabbits by 1, you get 2 extra legs. Now you get 6 extra legs. So the number of rabbits in this red rule must be 3. Okay, that's right here. Here you have 3 rabbits. Okay, and you can take another rule. Let's see the green rule. In this green rule, you have 36 legs. Compared to the base rule, you have 16 extra legs. Okay, based on the pattern, each rabbit have 2 extra legs. Now you have 16 extra legs. So the number of rabbits must be 8. Same as the number we got here. So 8 rabbits and 2 pigeons. Okay, so that is the pattern we identified by using simple examples and smaller numbers. Now let's come back to this question. Come back to the original question. Okay, and we're going to use the Python to solve it. Okay, to start, let's suppose, okay, all 250 animals are pigeons, because if you count by head, there are 250 heads, and each animal has one head. So on the farm, there should be 250 animals. Let's suppose all these 250 animals are pigeons. Okay, let's suppose all 250 animals are pigeons, and then you would expect this amount of legs. Okay, 500 legs. Each pigeon has 2 legs, so 250 pigeons would have 500 legs. Now the question tells you that if you count by legs, there are 270 legs. Okay, so the difference is 720 minus 500, that is 220 legs. So you have 220 extra legs. Okay. Based on the pattern we just identified, for each 2 extra legs must be corresponding to 1 rabbit. Now you have 220 extra legs. 220 extra legs. So the number of rabbits on the farm must be, so the number of rabbits on the farm must be 220 divided by 2, that equals 110. Okay, 110. Okay, so on the farm there must be 110 rabbits. And the number of pigeons, so the number of pigeons must be, so total number is 250 minus the number of rabbits give you the number of pigeons. Okay, so on this farm there must be 140 pigeons. Actually, you can verify whether the number is right or not. Okay, let's do some verification. Okay, let's do some verification. So our answer is says 140 pigeons. 140 pigeons. So the number of legs for this amount of pigeon would be 2 times 2. And we have 110 rabbits. Okay, the legs for this amount of rabbits would be times 4. Okay, in total it's 208 plus 440. So that equals 720 legs in total. Okay, the question tells you if you count by legs, there are 720 legs. So we are right. Okay. If you have any question about the problem, feel free to contact me either by email or WeChat. Thanks for watching.